Welcome to the discussion. We are looking at a topic on sequences and series, Form 3 Mathematics, Arithmetic Progression. First question reads, in a jewelry factory, the number of pounds produced in the first month is 250. The number of pounds produced per month increases on average by 30. Find the expected number of pounds produced for the first 12 months. In this case, we know that the first month we are producing 250, giving us the first term as 250. We have been told that the number increases on average by 30, giving us our common difference of 30. Find the expected number of pounds produced, that is the sum of any terms, for the first 12 months, giving us our n to be 12. We know sum of terms in an AP is given by n over 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Our n is 12, so 12 divided by 2 you get 6 into, we have 2 times a being 250 plus n 12 minus 1. We multiply by d, which is 30. We proceed, we are going to have 6 multiplied by 2 times 250 gives us 500 plus 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 times 30 gives us 330. We are going to have 6 multiplied by the sum of the 2, which is 830. And when you take 6 times 830, you get a figure equivalent to 4,980 pounds. We move to the second question. Question number 2. The sum of any terms of the sequence, that is 3, 9, 15, 21 is 7,500. Determine the value of n. We know from the sequence that the first term is usually a and the first term is 3. The common difference is going to be 9 minus 3 or 15 minus 9 or 21 minus 9, giving us a common difference of 6. And of course the sum has been given to be 7,500. Determine the value of n. We know sum of any terms is given by n over 2 multiplied by twice a plus n minus 1 times d. We do not have n. We divide by 2 into 2 times a, our a is 3, plus n is what we don't have, minus 1. You multiply by the common difference, which is 6. This must be able to give us a sum equal to 7,500. From there we move down. We are going to have n divided by 2 times. We have 6 plus. We have 6 times n, you get 6n. And minus 1 times 6, you get minus 6. And this one gives us 7,500. To get rid of this fraction, we multiply here by 2 and also this other side by 2. 2 and 2 goes, giving us n into, we have 6 plus 6n minus 6 being equal to 3, that is 15,000. Sorry, this one will give us 15,000. So 6 and 6 will cancel. Then n times 6n, you get 6n squared, being equal to 15,000. If you divide both sides by 6, 6 and 6 will cancel, giving us n squared being equal to 2,500. And if you want to get the value of n, you take the square root of 2,500, giving us plus or minus 50. That means n can be positive 50, also n can be minus 50. But since the number of terms cannot be negative, we ignore the negative and therefore n is going to be 50. Remember to subscribe and also help us to share the link. We move to question number 3. A man deposits his money in a savings bank on a monthly basis. Each deposit exceeds the previous one by 750. If he started by depositing 1,500, how much would he have deposited in 12 months? Since we have been given how much this person saves, our A is going to be equal to 1,500. Then of course D becomes 750. N is 12. So to get the sum of terms, we are going to take n divided by 2 multiplied by twice a plus n minus 1 times d. We know n is 12. 12 divided by 2, you get 6 into 2 times a. We have already a as 1,500 plus n being 12 minus 1 to multiply by d, which is 750. We move down, we are going to have 6. 2 times 1500 will give us 3000 plus 11, that is 12 minus 1 is 11. You multiply by 750. This one is going to be equal to 6 into 3000 plus, if you take 11 times 750, you get 8,250. The sum of the two figures in brackets will give us 11,250. And if you take 6, you multiply by 11,250, you get exactly an amount equal to Kenya shillings 67,500. Thank you for watching and welcome to our discussions. And in case you're watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two, click the subscribe button so that anytime we produce a video like this, you will automatically be given a notification.